Hola gente. I know what you're thinking. Oh, you missed 2 days, and I missed nothing. I still drew the witches, I even do 2 of them live on IG, recorded all the footage, but I didn't edit it yet. I've been so tired and worried and prepping about the Kickstarter and the comics, and I was also tired of posting these videos so late at night. I want to keep posting them at normal human hours, and I'm very small and I have no assistant, so you can imagine the kind of stress that I am under. Plus, I give you all a chance to catch up with the other Zodiac videos, huh? But yeah, today I am drawing Gemini on my usual cans and marker paper with red mechanical pencil. You know, at first I hated marker paper. It was always so thin that it felt like it was gonna break apart in a million pieces if I stared at it too intently. But after testing it a lot more, I discovered this is the secret to learn to be better with alcohol markers. If you have cheap markers, you can totally use them to their full potential by using marker paper. I do not think you need expensive markers to start coloring with markers. Also, expensiveness is relative. Copic are actually pretty cheap in Japan, moderately expensive in the US, and extremely expensive in Argentina. But there are 2 things to consider in my opinion when buying markers: how soft or hard the nibs are, and if you'll be able to layer color or not. That is, if the inks are super strong color with saturated colors, or if you're able to nicely layer the colors without streaks, which the marker paper really helps with doing. I don't think color fastness or how much ink the marker has, or even how extensive the color palette they offer, is something to consider when you're just starting off. You'll notice I've mentioned 2 attributes that directly contribute to challenges in how to maneuver the tool, rather than its quality. I want in the future to make a more in-depth approach to markers video. I am by no means great at using them, but if you want to start and maybe color something simple like the way that I do it, I may have some tips for you, but we'll leave that for a full video. Let's talk about Gemini's design, the twins. So my first thought is to show that duality with contrasts. The hair is 2 separate colors, her eyes and makeup with the opposite color on each side, and even her outfit, one side is covered and the other isn't. I used a lot more pink and even purples on her skin tone, because I wanted it to look more muted to match with her hair. And I went back to using the neon pink pencil for blush. Everyone on TikTok and Instagram is asking me what white pen I'm using. There's so much coverage, and this is just a standard white Signo ball pen. The thing is, I keep the nib pretty clean, because these things, you blink and it gets clogged, and I always store it sideways. Never store pens vertically. There she goes saying never. The ink will run and start creating air pockets, and that's when the ink skips. It's just gravity. Gemini is getting yellow daffodils for her flower, and I think it looks pretty complementary to her makeup colors. And of course, after I put my signature, I realized that I had missed drawing her constellation. And that's it. I actually drawn a handful more of the Zodiac girls, and they're now available as prints on my Prismatic Kickstarter. I asked if I should add them. I did a poll on Instagram, and it was pretty much a straightforward yes. Check out the link below for the campaign, and also you'll get to see the featured designs. Like and subscribe if you liked the video, leave a comment. Find me on Instagram at SHOURIMAJO for more art, and join my Patreon Cutie Mail Club for monthly surprises. This month is Halloween themed. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao!